Setu Bandhasana. It's extremely official position, especially if you have a sitting job where you compress your abdomen all day. Then it really gives a refreshing effect to the internal organs. Or if your sacrum is a little bit dislocated, like most of the people. Get into precisely inside the asana. So what you have to do, raise your psoas muscle, make a big arch with your spine, rotate your shoulders, you can cross your hands under the leg, and after come to your tiptoe and place the sacrum into the hands as a support. You can do variations here. You can stay in the original asana with the leg bended, or you can make both legs straight, or you can raise one leg and reaching up with the ball of the big toe and with the heel. See that you observing yourself as a scientist, and you can keep it for 6, 8, 9, 12 breaths and just observe what's happening inside the body, how the muscles, the joints, the connective tissues are working, what isometric movements you do from inside. And lastly, I show you a Sarvangasana modification which can do those people as well who have a neck problem. And now let's say the brick version. I prefer the brick version because it gives more benefit, and get into the posture as precisely as before, and after come to your tiptoe and take a brick in standing position under the sacrum. It should be equal on both sides of the sacrum, and if it's difficult for you to place one block standing, then place two blocks lying. And you can grab the block if you feel safer. Now you can leave here your legs and you can do it for 2-3 minutes. It's extremely refreshing for the hip area, for the sacrum and internal organs, or you can make straight both legs. It's also a restorative position like this with the brick. It's extremely refreshing if you had a hard day, and after menstruation as well, it helps to bring back alignment in the pelvic area. Or you can raise again one leg, or you can place the ankle on the thighs and a little bit press down with the knee. It's important that you always look for symmetry in the positions. You should get out as gracefully as you get in the asana, and after you can bring close your knees to your chest, hug your knees, and just a little bit loosen the lower back. And eventually I show you the last version which we will practice against the wall. You place the brick as before under your sacrum, and now the distance should be just right from the wall, and you place both legs on the wall. It's important that the legs are parallel with the floor, not higher and not lower. So parallel. Engage the knee joint, because usually we tend to switch off the knee joint. So see that you're pressing the wall with your heel and the ball of the big toe, and engage the knee joint and see how your hip joint is feeling. And now you can do also the one leg version, or you can do the Sarvangasana modification with the brick. You can stay in this position for more minutes as well. It's very good for the muscles of the leg, for the nerves in the leg. It's releasing tension, and it's also good for thyroid like this. And I always do this asana with those people instead of Sarvangasana if they have a neck problem or neck injuries.